In my last video, I presented 5 tips to solve the 3D print not sticky issue. I would like to address the last one, filament storage topic, with more details in this video, because people tend to take it for granted that the filament is always new, if it's still in a spool. The truth is, 3D filament will expire or deteriorate if it's not being properly preserved. Well, it is true that 3D print filament are just some sort of plastic, which I don't think will expire. However, they do have the shelf life because the filament absorbs moisture from the air, especially in a humid environment like our living space. So I have 2 spools here, a relatively new one and this is relatively old one. Let's take a look at the old one, which after absorbing a lot of moisture become very brittle like this. So if you want to break it, it just snaps very easily. Look at that. However, the relatively new one, they still keep the original quality, not having absorbed too much moisture, and it's not that easy to break. So it's good to print. Yeah. So the best way to avoid all these troubles is to use brand new filaments. I understand this may not necessarily apply to everybody for many cases, so if you have unused filaments, don't just hand them on the back of the machine unattended for days and weeks, which is going to be a guarantee to ruin your material. As a 3D print enthusiast, I highly recommend the budget-friendly Ziploc plus desiccant to store the 3D filaments. Both the Ziploc bags and the drying beads are available under $10 for a bunch. When you need to store your filament, just fill in with drying beads and seal the bag. Your filament is good to rest for a while until you see the beads color changes. Beads start with light orange color when they are dry, then turn to brown after absorbing moisture, then dark brown, and eventually become dark green. That's a signal when they've saturated. But you don't need to throw them away. They can be easily reactivated to a fresh dry start using a microwave. Thaw the beads for a few minutes in a microwave using the defrost setting. And you will have your orange color beads back, ready for the next job. If you'd like to take one step further by spending a little bit more money, this filament dryer box is your to-go option. It can be used as a filament holder during the printing job while keeping the humidity level at your programmed setting. Or it can also be used as a standalone dryer box, automatically tumbling and drying the filament. Just leave your wet filament in the dryer box for some time. Your old spool will be ready to rock and roll for your next print again.